Hi friends, I am Rohan Sharma, your mentor in this program. Today we discuss portfolio management. It is a very important activity in whole of the investment activities which create a base for your investment returns. Either the asset allocation, mix of proper asset class, reallocation part, rebalancing, the whole process will be considered under one activity called as portfolio management. So we discuss and understand this portfolio management topic in detail. First of all, we have to understand what is a portfolio. Some people are called as portfolios, some people are called as investment portfolio. Both the things are same. A portfolio can be defined as a basket in which you have a different investment tools named as stocks, mutual funds, bonds, cash, liquid funds, all together, depending specifically on the investment objective, investor's income, budget, risk appetite, and the holding period horizon. It is formed in such a way that it stabilizes the risk of non-performing of different pool of investment over a period of time. It means in a portfolio, if we are putting only one asset class, and if it is not performing well, that creates a huge risk. So if we take a proper mix of different investment products in a basket, that basket is called as portfolio. The next important question that will become in your mind is what is a portfolio management? Portfolio management is basically an art as well as the science of making decisions. The decisions about investment mix, the decision about investment policies, the decisions about investment matching the investment objectives, the decision about asset allocation for individuals as well as institutionals, and the decision about minimizing the risk against the good performance. It means a portfolio management is a combination of various investment activity. As a club, it considered to be a portfolio management. In simple language, someone has given you their hard-earned money and you need to help them increase the capital in the best diversified way. That absolutely means a portfolio management. Portfolio management refers to managing individuals' investment in the form of bonds, shares, cash, mutual funds, so that you can earn a maximum profit in a stipulated or a defined period of time. It is an art of managing money of an individual under an expert guidance of portfolio managers. The best example of portfolio management is mutual funds, which manage your funds in an optimum way, which create a greater returns with a minimized risk. Mutual funds is a best example of portfolio management in terms of your investment objectives, a perfect allocation of asset class, as well as minimizing the risk with a greater returns. There are 4 categories of portfolio management, different types of portfolio management. We are categorized into 4: the discretionary portfolio management, or maybe a non-discretionary portfolio management. There is an active portfolio management, or maybe a passive portfolio management. We have to discuss and understand the applicability of all types of portfolio management in details. Discretionary portfolio management, in this form of portfolio management, the individual authorizes the portfolio managers to take care of his financial needs on their behalf. The mutual fund is the best example of discretionary portfolio management. The fund manager or the portfolio manager will take the decisions as per their mindset and according to your investment objectives. And non-discretionary portfolio management clearly gives the portfolio manager merely an advice to the client which is good and which one is better, which one is correct and which one is incorrect method, but the client reserves the full right to take his own decisions. The best example of non-discretionary portfolio management is the investment advisory services, which give you an advice but not manage your fund by the portfolio manager. You have to take the decisions. They are only giving the advice which one is bad and which one is good for you according to the terms and conditions. So the non-discretionary portfolio management not give the powers to portfolio managers to activate or take actions on your fund. They are only give the advice to you. The active and the passive portfolio fund management is also applicable. The active portfolio management includes the team of members who take active decisions based on the hardcore research before investing the corpus into any investment avenue. In the mutual funds, there are various platforms in which the portfolio managers take the active decisions. He make a choice of selection of the stocks from a whole universe and give you an optimum return with a minimum risk involvement in it. Generally, the close-ended or the equity mutual funds especially have an active fund management schemes in their requirement. The passive portfolio fund is the form of a fund in which you only track the index, you only choose an index and you invest on the index in the same weightage which combine the stocks in that form. There are various objectives of the portfolio management, like a capital growth is my objective. Somewhere the capital protection is the objective of the conservative investor. Liquidity is also an important part. The marketability, whenever we sell out the product, the proper marketability is there so that we can get the best passive possible selling price. The diversification is also an important objective. Consistent return is also an important objective. The tax efficiency and the tax planning is also an important objective. And a proper risk management is also an important objective in portfolio management. So we have to consider the whole objective in one activity, and that activity itself is called as portfolio management. There are certain processes of applying a portfolio management. There is an understanding of client investment objectives and the availability of funds in it. You have to matching the investments according to your financial goals. You recommend an investment policy, that what things you have to do and what things you don't follow in this investment portfolio management. Balancing of risk and steady the portfolio performance, decisions on the investment strategies, and changing asset allocation on time basis as per the economic movement or economic cycle. So this is the whole process by which you can achieve the portfolio management success. There are a huge benefit of portfolio management. It helps you to avoiding a disaster. It helps you to reducing your risk. It gives you an optimum allocation of funds, make the right decisions with the right investment choices, and invest in a regular and in a disciplined manner. So that all these benefits are very helpful in the form of investment or a portfolio management. I hope so you enjoy this lecture most, and by this we can get easy conclusions, three major conclusions in this lecture. The first important thing is the portfolio management may be a discrete or a non-discrete way, or maybe an active or a passive fund management. The important thing is that you have to ascertain the various objectives of portfolio management before starting the activities. And the third important thing is the portfolio management is basically a whole investment activity which involves asset allocation, risk management, investment style, trading strategies, and a proper discipline approaches. So thanks a lot and have a nice day.